What a surprise. So we are to roll sweets on this table while catching them in our mouth on the other side. So I think first thing, it's not a rolling sweet because it's all about the place, so it don't round.
Yeah, the one on the thing was round, Kay.
So I'm supposed to move the Tanya. So I'm supposed to go.
I think you roll it this way and then try to catch it over there.
The other way?
Yeah.
Ready?
No, man.
I think we're going to have some difficulty.
Yeah, just a few.
Hmm?
You're not supposed to eat out the
The
pot.
5-second roll. No. Tim, you want?
Also, the table that they showed us in the video was a little smaller than this.
Yeah, try. Come this way. Well, 5 seconds.
No, negative? I'm not.
About 6 seconds, so we can't.
Okay, let me roll it and then you catch it. Ready?
Hold on. They're coming here again. Come.
Oh, ready?
Hold on.
And what?
Yeah.
Maybe you should go sideways. Set.
Yeah.
Catch. That never bad.
Almost.
Come, we almost have it. Boy, you're really winning this morning, eh? From the sweet to them. You have to put your mouth lower down.
No, cheat you.
Oh.
Come here, man. Come here, man.
No, up somewhere. Open wide. Ready?
Yeah.
Open your mouth, man, sir. But it's your teeth that is going to get teeth. Up, yeah, up your head. Ready?
Oh, on my nose. No, yeah, I words, two and I words. One more.
Come.
One more.
Wider. Yes, watch this now. Wait. That was good.
Yeah,
Come.
but at least me eat a while.
I know. Ready?
Come
There,
on, man.
almost there. Ready? Oh! Why are you eating the table? One last try.
All right, come.
Oh, you know what it is? The table is a hindrance. Your mouth is too close to the table.
All right.
Ready? Oh! Team work makes the dream work.
Ladies and
That
gentlemen.
may I tell you. That was a precise time. Eh?
Your time.
My time to do what? Eh? I'm the flanger.
You know, say the ground tough, man.
Me can't go down so far.
Come.
Oh, ja. Remember, you have height on me, you know, so. Oh, ja.
You ready? No, it has everything to do with the throw. She don't understand it. Are you ready again?
Come again.
I'll get bossy now.
Don't flag it in my nose. Or...
No, man.
What?
Oh, I nearly broke your teeth. Dentist. She needs some braces.
I already have one line out. Come.
So them you can't work.
One last one.
The 10-second rule gone long time. Ready?
I'm supposed to eat chocolate. Ready?
Which color?
Anyone?
Yellow. Ready?
Neville be Jenker.
I shall.
Also aim properly.
No, it's you.
Synergy.
We are the #1 husband and wife team in the world.
We got it.
We are the #1 husband and wife team in life.
So why didn't bring tea on here? Tea must come over here with the 12 of us must flang into herb. No?
No.
I think we've done our job here.
We have. So we have to go get rid of these. Because
Yeah.
them up on the ground too long.
Climbers, can I have a napkin?
When they're not looking, I might not get rid of them.
So Mr. Bay, what was your strategy?
I wanted to open my mouth wide, but apparently I didn't. But yours was wide, so it was easier for me to just flang it.
So is your implication that my mouth is bigger than your mouth?
Actually, it's not an implication, it is a fact. As a matter of fact, if you go back down a bit, if I throw a floor 4 one time, you catch it, all of them together.
Together.
You want me to try?
Together.
All right, folks, so that's it for something to smile about. But after the break, delectable delights from the Flour Girl, Flour Girl. We'll soon come back. Stay with us, please.
I like this game show music.